tuning in. On this episode of Dan's Garage, Dan buys all this stuff from a junkyard. Why can't he just buy new stuff? Sometimes I don't know about that, man. Anyway, hey Dan, run that intro.
Alright guys, so here it is, another fun-filled episode of driving to a salvage yard to look for stuff. So we're going to try to find some wires that we can hook up this backup camera and hopefully get the radio and everything working. And we're bringing along a guest. That's right, fans, we have Eric from Buick Super Engine
You'll never get it
something
right.
Performance. Well, why do you have a channel name like that?
I tried to change it this morning and it
All right, so he's going to change his channel name, but
I'm
it's
not
linked
sure
down
it is.
below. So if you like Buicks and you like hot rods, which if you're watching this, you probably do, go check out his channel. But we're going to get on the road and see what we can find. All right, so we made it to the first place. Remember, this is not the place we were looking for last time. It's the place right before it. The other place is about 5 minutes down the road, but we're going to go here. I know they had a couple trucks that didn't have the cameras, but they may have the wiring, so we're going to check. Also, the yellow car, Ash. So I found a lineup of a couple of Yukons here. I don't see any backup cameras, which means they're not going to have the wiring. What about running boards? Running board's pretty up. Yeah, that's why these are different years. This has the old style. This one's got some wheels in it. How nice. This does have the coils for the back window. Barn door Suburban, not gonna help. Another Tahoe. I wonder if these running boards are all, see, they pick all these things up with forks and they mess up the running boards. Another Tahoe, but didn't have it. So I guess these are here because they're all the older style.
Yeah.
So we'll keep looking. I think it was down this way. Follow me. Or I'm following you.
I follow you.
You're following me? Looking around. Hopefully there's a good shot, I can't tell. There's a Tahoe. Fire hazard. Watch your head.
Oh. Just walked into that one.
There's another yellow car. Nah. See how smooth my moving shots are. There's an Esky. Eskies would have the same stuff. 6179. See, that's like exactly where it is. See that there? I don't think that's it though. 1769. Actually, I had it written down. And then there was plugs over here. Here's Tahoe.
Well, once these cars reach this spot, they can never be. It's salvage title only, correct?
Yeah, well, you can't buy the whole cars anyway.
Right. No, they won't sell them as a whole anyway.
What year is this? Let's say on that sticker.
It doesn't say what year it is.
Hey, this running board don't look too bad. Oh, it even has seats in it still.
Never backup camera.
Yeah, I saw that. What about this running board? A little scuffed up on the bottom. Let's get this running board. That's chopped up. Chopped up this side. We found an old pickup. I think this was here last time. Let's get a grill. Anything in it? It's an 84.
How much like that's good on it.
Pretty cool looking. Ooh. Alright, so I think that's pretty much it for this place. The trucks they had last time are gone. So we're going to go to the new place, well, the next place, because I talked to them and they said they had like 3 more trucks than when we were there. So let's go.
What you're looking for though, right?
So this is where we ended up. This is the second yard. The first time we came to this yard, we got the backup camera, we got lucky. So can we get lucky again? Let's go find out. Yeah, well, you probably don't want to be driving through that. Who knows what the hell's on the ground.
Yeah, exactly.
You end up with a flat tire and no time flat. And that's not just a joke. Well, it kind of is.
It's
I'm afraid to work here, but I guess we'll be alright. I'm sorry, did you say action?
Oh, action, yeah, that's it.
So I'm realizing, as I said before, the harness I bought did not have a movable glass, which meant the wire was here and it didn't move. This one does have it. Whee! I got nervous because these wires are cut, but this is the back harness that goes to the camera, which we have. We need the inside harness, so I'm going to grab that because I think it'll be good for us. So, popping things off of the gate and see where we end up. Where this goes. Alright, so I got the harness detached from both sides, but I have to lift up this gate, which was power and had the shocks, and it doesn't anymore, so I'm going to have to hold it up, and I'm going to have to pull this harness out. Hopefully I can do it with one hand. And you might be saying to yourself, what about your buddy with the camera? Well, gotta have it on camera.
I'm kind of busy.
Yeah. Alright. I can handle this. I can do this.
Let me see, maybe I can hold it up while I do the camera. Oh, I'm multitasking.
You're not going to drop it on my head, are you?
I'll try not to.
Oh, thanks. You're a good buddy. Put in the comments down below how I should get this out. Because now I got this. Well, I guess we're going to go that way. Even though it's a longer way, I don't know if these plugs will get back through themselves.
Hurry up, my arm's getting tired.
Alright, I'm sorry. How'd they do this at the freaking car plant when they're building these things? I don't know. Alright, there's the coils for the defroster. We want to keep those nice. That's one of the reasons we're getting this. I am concerned because it only had 2 plugs, not 3 like we have, so that may or may not be a big issue. I don't know. This is a different model, so we'll see. Hopefully we can use it. We're almost done. Almost. Got this one. Alright, good. Alright, let me get this stuff out of the way. And slam. Wait, whoa, don't break that. Damn, come on. Alright, now we're good. Alright, so I wonder if we should throw some of this stuff in the back there so we have room to work here. Let's do that. Nice console. Just don't get hit by nothing. There's a shock. That's shocking. A nice headlight. Huh. Oh man, there's a rack and pinion. What are they doing to me? It's like testing my abilities. At least the back door's gone. That makes it easy. Hey, guess what? Come here, look at this. Come here. Come here.
You want me to come around?
I want you to come here. No, not that way. Walk around.
Shortcut.
Look. Not the mask. Not that. 10371724. That is the backup camera module. So that's what we have. But I'm going to grab this one anyway because we can. And these are the wires that we need. So let's get to ripping up this stuff.
Score.
Is that 10 millimeter? Looks smaller.
Yes.
We'll go with that.
If it's not a 10, it's an 8.
Why can't it be a 789?
It could be.
Uh-oh.
It's good to have a dead battery when you come to the junkyard.
Hold your brace.
Oh my goodness. Strike two. I hope you got another one.
I think we got manual tools.
Oh.
You know what the problem is? All these batteries sit in the garage and they all get like completely depleted by the cold. This one works. Got it. So what we have now is I have this plug here and we have these plugs here, and we need to get all this stuff out. I need to find out where this goes, and I didn't bring a knife. It probably goes to this body harness here, I wonder. I wonder who. See if I can get this out of here. This is very not fun. Especially if I gotta do all this to my truck to get it back in. Oh, it's tearing. Yes. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it's part of this harness with the Bosch. What is this guy? We don't know. Do we have one? Do we need one? So, we did get a bunch out of this truck. Got the rear harness with the little squiggly things. Got some other mounts and brackets and things. Hopefully everything we need for that camera. We did have to cut a couple wires, and it really sucked. But as for us, we're out of here. We're tired. It's been a couple hours. Ashley's probably home eating candy. So I'm going to go take care of that. We're going to drive home, and we'll see you guys when we get there. Back home now, kind of checking out the Buick that we got. This was the coolest thing. I didn't realize the camera was actually in the truck. These are the wires they cut, but this actually has a separate plug. So this may be a different wire than we got from the other camera, but we do have a camera. So this is kind of our backup camera now. Backup camera. It's our backup camera in case the other one does not work. So we have a spare, let's say, for that. So that's pretty cool. And then I have this this harness, gate harness that I bought online, which again, this is correct for the truck, but it doesn't have the extensions for the movable glass. It was a fixed glass, so it doesn't have the coils. So I may need to use this harness, but this one that we got off of the Suburban, I may have to put these wires into it with the coils. So I might just have to cut these and wire them in. It's a defroster cord wire, so it's just one wire. So it'd be pretty easy to take these off, put them on this harness in order to hook up the camera we have. So that may be what we end up doing there. And then since we were in there, I went ahead and got the module. This is the 1724, so that is the correct module for the backup camera. I believe all it does is changes the 12 volts to 6 volts to power the camera. Now normally this is in the front of the vehicle, but we kind of had a lot of problems getting these wires out. So this is the wire that plugs into the module, and it did have two different wires. I believe one went up to the deck for the image, and one went back to the camera at the back of the truck. So, and then you have the power wires that go into the power. So I may end up adjusting this and putting this at the back of the truck with the power, because I can get the power off of the reverse light, which I've seen some people do. So that way when you put it in reverse, it gives the camera power. That'll give signal to the camera wire, and I just have to run this one wire up to the front of the truck. I can kind of bypass all of the harnesses and everything, because as you saw in the video, there's harnesses that go all over that truck, and I really don't want to gut the entire interior just to be able to put these wires in. So we're going to hope that I can make that work with this. And then, like I said, since I was in there, I went ahead and grabbed the other modules. I don't know if I need them or not. Maybe I'll sell them. If anybody needs one, let me know. This is the GM Bosch harness module for the reverse sensors, which we do have on the truck. And then I also grabbed this Sirius satellite XM satellite radio. So got an extra satellite radio module. So if anybody wants to buy it, let me know. Make me an offer. I did also get the bracket. I got a bunch of the nuts that I used to put it in. So Eric and I definitely had a lot of fun out there getting all these parts. Hopefully it gets him a little fuel to make his channel a little bit better as he's able to make some videos. So his link will be in the description below. Again, if you like Buicks, check him out. I don't know the name of the channel. As you saw at the beginning of this video, it's like Buick Support Performance something hotline. I don't know. But check him out. Check out all the other people down there in the description. Some are linked, some are not. And you should just go check them all out if you like cars. Other than that, stay positive and keep on wrenching.